Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create luxury brand logos made only with custom shapes. Today we are crafting a luxury brand logo entirely with custom shapes. Choose elegant shapes such as thin circles and diamonds, stick shapes to create a sense of prestige. Use combine and intersect functions to build complex elegance. Then apply a gold or rose gold gradient for a luxury shine. Use serif or glossy monogram fonts for initials. Add thin line separation for exclusively. Keep spacing wide. Luxury design breathes. Apply a glossy highlight to the main symbol. Create a